Welcome to your EBPP Import Customers tutorial. You may upload and save batches of clients to EBPP using information you have saved in an Excel spreadsheet. Import configurations. To get started with importing data, you'll first need to create an Excel spreadsheet with a column header that will serve as a template for the data imports you'll perform in the future. There are fields we require and deem as the basic pieces of information to import customers. Here you'll see that for client imports, we've only marked in red or as required the customer name and email address. Everything else is optional. So, the minimum your Excel sheet should have for a client import is 2 columns, one for customer names and another for their email addresses. Each column labeled with the exact name your subsequent batches will have for these 2 pieces of information, whether it's contact name, client name, applicant, and so forth. Here, I'm filling out the column header and saving it with the required .xlsx format. Use the green plus sign to browse and select your .xlsx file. Specify the number of its header row and upload. Select the field configuration icon and it will pick up everything in the header row of your template for you to choose from. Make sure to double-click the name so that it populates the formula field below and save. In this case, every time I use the Import Customers feature, EBPP will know to recognize and follow everything listed as contact name under what we call customer name here in EBPP. The same goes for email, filling in our email address field in EBPP. Repeat these steps for the rest of the fields you'd like to populate during imports using the field configuration icon. Save before moving on to the Invoices tab if you'd like to import these as well. Now that we have configured our fields, let's move on to Import Customers. Once you have organized all of the information you'd like to upload to Sempaw's EBPP within a spreadsheet, you'll save in .xlsx format. Remember that in order for EBPP to read them, your uploads must have the same header names that you saved within the Import Configurations feature. In my case, all of my customer imports have columns named contact name and email. So, I'll click the green plus sign to browse for my file, select it, and enter the range of rows I need to import. Notice I entered the number 2, skipping my header row, and 12 for my last. Select Upload, then select the file in question and process. The rows of information have now become customers in EBPP. I'll move on to the View Customer feature and search for my first one, Sally. And here she is. Please refer to the View Customers video tutorial to learn more. Senpaw's, technology-driven commerce.